gonna leave them all, okay? Hands behind your back.
On May 14th, 2022, in Beachwood, Ohio, police arrived at a shopping mall after hearing that a couple was fighting.
Watch out!
Or you're gonna go to jail. Do you want to pick?
I don't give a
But things took a surprising turn when the woman decided to punch an officer in the face. Here's what happened next.
I paid for it, that's it. You wanna let go of my arm? This is my fucking bag.
You gotta give him space, okay? Give him space.
Because he fucking does this shit every single fucking time. It's fucking crazy. I'm crazy. Where am I gonna go?
9-9. It's
Did you just hear him?
calm right now.
Okay. I'm taking care of it. I need you to stay away from here.
What was going on in the first place? What's happening?
It's so fucking dumb. How do you offer to pay for somebody to buy somebody something and then buy it for them and then get mad at them out of fucking nowhere and then take it back and want to return it? If you don't want to buy it first, then you never should have bought it. And then you would fucking buy 2 pairs. Then I put 1 pair back. But then when he got mad, it took too long to get those pairs and not the pair. He fucking said he doesn't see the fucking narcissist.
I know you're upset.
You order an ill-fitting suit to go on. You mad because your suit don't fit? I don't give a fuck about this shitty ass wall.
Back up.
Go ahead. Okay, you're gonna go. You're not gonna act tough. You want to go in handcuffs? Yes. You're not gonna act tough, okay? So unless you want to go in handcuffs, stop it. You're gonna exit the mall now. Do you understand?
Officer Eyebrows, calm the fuck down, okay? I'm calm. Because he didn't do anything. It was my fault because he was pissed off because I was putting this cross like he popping for me. And he's mad at me for no reason over a little argument. Like I just want him to tell me like, come on, please. Like I'm not mad at him, man. I'm not mad. I'm fine. You wanna Hey, you ever watch Phineas and Ferb? He looks like Balloony. You ever see that? That's just really funny. He looks just like Balloony. Like that's just crazy. So he's really gonna return him? Seriously?
You're not going back in the mall.
I'm not going back in this mall. What am I gonna go back in the mall for? Oh. Well, I can't leave without him.
You can leave without him. You're a grown adult.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. You guys, you can tase me, you can shoot me, whatever.
That's not nothing like
I don't care.
You need to figure out.
I don't care.
You need to figure out.
Well, I'm not leaving this mall without him.
Well, you're not leaving with us.
Joey! Oh, now you don't fucking know me.
Come on.
Oh, shit. So fucked up.
Come on. You're gonna leave the mall, okay?
Watch out, bro.
You are going to leave the mall. You're gonna leave the mall, or you're gonna go to jail. Do you want to pick?
I don't give a
You want to?
Either one of y'all, Joey!
You're gonna leave the mall, or you're going in cuffs in 3 seconds. I promise you.
Put me in the cuffs.
I will put you in the
Put me in
cuffs.
cuffs.
Okay.
Right now.
Are you serious right now? Put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back.
Serious? Don't move. You hear me? Don't move.
I don't give a fuck. I don't care. All right, thanks, bro. Thanks, Mom. I didn't know.
Stop moving.
I'm not moving, bro. If you're gonna shoot me, just shoot me then. Yeah. You got my glasses for me? Yeah. Can you grab my glasses for me? Your jaw okay? Thank you.
Yeah, your jaw's fine.
You're not okay now? You just I'll be all
Hey, now you
right.
caught a felony. Good job.
All right. How long do you think I'm gonna be in jail for, huh? A couple months?
do that. No, it's all good.
We have cars meet at Dillard's North as we were escorting this female out.
Thank you. Should we call from Sylvia 1230 now? 3 to 99.
Stop.
Go ahead.
Stop.
This male party involved as the deputies walked out.
He was involved in a verbal dispute with this female. I was escorting the female out. Deputies were with the male.
Okay. I'll be with the male then.
It's too busy dealing with you.
How about you guys are handcuffing me? It only takes one of y'all.
I'll be
Come
with
on
the
now.
male then. He's about to leave. Do we need anything from him?
Yeah, we'll keep him around for a minute.
Hi.
Okay, I'm up
So-
south and
Well,
the male.
she decided to punch me in the face, so.
Okay.
1283 radio. I'm out. North Dillard's.
You like your job? All right, we'll use.
Don't look at me.
We'll use I this can't car look at for- you now. You're gonna let me touch me. All right, I'm gonna need you to relax. Relax. Okay.
They handcuffed my bag to me.
Okay, I see that. I'm gonna put her in your car since she's here.
Radio, fuck you up yourself.
Want to cut it or you want to have it? She's wild. She's pretty.
Don't cut my bag. No.
mean,
Okay,
she
then
just-
we need you to stand still then, okay?
I'm not gonna go anywhere.
All right.
You guys got our arms?
Yep.
Radio 1292. Looks like right near Fairmount. Local lanes on to the left. 73, you have deputies.
We're almost done. Just relax, okay?
The Forerunner. Yeah.
All right.
You guys read me my
We're gonna,
rights.
we're gonna have you sit down in this car over here, okay?
Okay, they have this.
All right. Have a seat.
Where'd she hit you?
Right there.
You just.
We'll take a photo of you.
Is your camera up in the front seat?
Yeah, it should be on the floorboard.
Hey, hang on.
In the mall with the male and the female.
So I was.
She's under arrest for assaulting you.
Yeah, so I was up, or I was walking towards Dillard to pick this up from Jake. And I heard the commotion coming from down in the center court. Looked over the railing, and all three other off-duties working were already with the situation. It just looked like a verbal argument, maybe a little scuffle between her and the guy. I couldn't tell because I was kind of looking over the railing. So I wanted to go down just to make sure they were okay, so I could call it in, everything. They were escorting the guy out, so at that point I assumed it was verbal. I didn't really get the story at all because I kind of got there late. So as they were doing that, she started getting all lippy with mall security and everything. She was being loud, so you're going to leave the mall too. So we're walking around. She keeps stopping, turning around. I'm like, you're going to turn around or you're going to go in handcuffs. You know, you have to leave the mall right now. So she starts walking, and she just swings around and just clocks me right in the chin.
Okay. All right. So obviously she's under arrest for that.
Yeah.
But I need to know because we got him.
Yeah, I don't know what it's all these deputies and stuff are with that situation.
Okay.
I'm standing right next to her, so there's male and female. They were arguing over some bag with shoes in it. We finally got them separated, got him calmed down. He had really upset. She admitted that she started the argument.
Okay.
And then,
Hey Ben, I'm trying to determine if he's needed.
can you just drop her at the jail?
Yeah, we'll probably just put her in a holding cell in the meantime. And then, I mean, we'll see how cooperative she is. And then if we got to throw her in a holding cell, we
Yeah.
will.
Can you go to back up? Ben?
She's in my car. I'm going to take her to the jail.
She needs.
What do you want me to do?
Somebody's got to go back up Ben Bow because somebody's got to go take a traffic crash on the highway.
Yeah, I'll go with Bao, and then I'll be at the jail. Just get her info and get her set, and I'll be back there shortly. I'll go to.
Search the female.
So anyway, so we're trying to escort her out. She keeps trying to turn around, walk.
Lola has been charged with simple assault on a police officer. She is presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. What do you think about Lola's actions? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Bodycam police footage.